Welcome to Playa Balerma. You can easily book your stay at Playa Balerma in El Ejido, Spain using the QR code in the video description. Playa Balerma is located in the heart of El Ejido, offering a convenient base for exploring the area. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you time to settle in comfortably. When it's time to leave, checkout is by 10:30 a.m. This hotel maintains a family-friendly policy, though it's important to note that children are not accommodated free of charge, and additional fees may apply for extra guests. Be sure to factor this into your travel plans. The hotel features a 24-hour front desk, providing assistance whenever you need it. Plus, you'll find free parking available, offering a great perk in this lively area. The hotel also boasts an inviting bar, perfect for unwinding after a day of sightseeing or relaxing on the coast. The bar offers a wide array of drinks, from refreshing cocktails to fine wines and local spirits. It's a great spot to socialize and enjoy the ambience. For a comfortable and convenient stay in El Ejido, remember to book your stay at Playa Balerma using the QR code in the video description.